All right, so here we are, the Mayan palace called Tulum, and just southwest of Cancun. And you can see behind me the Mayans, about 1,500 years after Christ. They had built this out of limestone and bubble gum. Yes, that's right, you heard it. It's limestone and bubble gum. There's a tree here called Chile, something like that, and they take the resin from that and they smash it in between hot powdered limestone, and that's how they ended up with these temples. And so this is the biggest temple. It's also used as a multifunction lighthouse, because if you can see behind here, I'm going to show you where the ocean hits, and this is where a lot of the trade comes in, or used to come in rather, and the ocean is literally right here. You can see it coming in right there. And so we're going to take you over to where they have a temple that shows when the season changes from the winter solstice and the summer solstice, because of the different the different gods of fertility and the god of creation, something like that. So if you have any questions, you can ask Jonathan. He is a Mayan expert, archaeologist.
I mean, I am a history major, so. Yes,
I mean, he just went through and got a doctorate in Mayan temple archaeology. So,
just a little side thing.
That's
Got a little bored.
He can tell you all about the bubble gum and the limestone, and the yin and yang trees that are, one gives you, they grow together, one gives you third degree burn, and the other one actually is the remedy for the other one. Yep. And you can see separate there, it's a smaller temple. That smaller temple is where, if you have the right angle, that is where Venus, the star, shines through that little hole. It's a tiny little window. You can see it in there, right at the top there. And they use that for the evidence that the Mayan calendar, number 13, is super special because of a number of reasons, with the calendar year and your birth date coming once every 52 years. That 13 number,
one full life cycle.
So you don't actually get named until you're an adult at age 12. Pretty cool. So anyway, I'll give you more information about the number 13 later, but we are going to take you over to some of the other sites with the temples. You can see the beach down here. In between. And you might be able to see some of the resorts off in the distance. I'm not sure if one of those are the Unico, where Cynthia just got married on Friday night, but all right, again, we're at Tulum, Mayan temples, over here just south, about a half an hour southwest.
It's not actually called Tulum.
Not Tulum, it's not actually Tulum. Tulum, what does Tulum mean?
Two
is the smell.
Bad smell.
Bad smell.
Odor.
And the loom
Is the place.
Is the place.
Bad smelling place.
So it's a bad smelling place because when the Spaniards arrived, they didn't have any hygiene or ways to clean themselves in the ocean as they crossed. And so when they came and asked the Mayans, "Hey, what do you call this place?" Then they, Tulum. So that's your
fun fact of the day.
Fun fact for the day from Mayan archaeologist expert Jonathan Coe here. All right, signing out.